Hey guys, Busy Mommy here, and in one of my videos where my friend Jen was over, we talked a little bit about a really good summer drink that I just love. So we're going to go ahead and make it, and it is a strawberry coconut water ginger lime drink. Let me tell you right now, when you add a little rum, you don't even know, delicious. But it's delicious by itself. Great for kids, great for everyone. Ginger has so many great qualities that I know that you actually trying this, you'll love it. So you're going to need 8 limes. So you can do 8, you can do 10, depends on the amount of juice that you get from each lime. But I have a few tips here. So a lot of people have one of these, right, to get the limes out. A lot of people don't know how to use that. So first you're gonna cut off the ends, which is what I do. Cut off the ends and then cut it in the middle. So here is where people have the issue. A lot of people take this and they put it like this because there's a crevice there and it seems like it would fit. But if you look, the crevice is actually here. This needs to go here so that it squeezes all the juice out. So when you actually use this, you're supposed to put it big side up, and then you grab your bowl and you squeeze all the juice out. And this is the proper way to do it. See, look how much all the juice is gone. We're gonna do the other side. So do it that way. 8 limes right there. My second tip has to do with ginger. So you're gonna put ginger on. One thing that you can do, instead of using a knife to peel ginger, a lot of people do that. You're going to actually use your finger with a spoon, and as you can see, it peels that first layer right off. You get to keep all the flesh intact, and all you have left is this beautiful piece of ginger. So we have our ginger ready, we have our lime juice ready. We're going to get our strawberries ready. So our strawberries, I used 1 package of strawberries, which is I think 1 pound, maybe. I used 1 package of strawberries, and then, so we have strawberries here from our garden. So these are these tiny little strawberries. They're so cute, adorable. But I'm gonna add these 2. You can add as much strawberries, really. You can do 2 packs. I do about 1.5 packs usually if I don't have my own strawberries. So I have that. I have about a piece of ginger about this big. I'd probably use half first, then see how it goes. Then I have 2 tablespoons of sugar. You might be able to do more or less. More or less, you taste as you go, because sometimes the strawberries are bitter, sometimes they're sweet. So we're gonna have 2 tablespoons of regular granulated sugar, or you can use equal or diet sugar, whatever you want. I don't use that, so. And then I do 1 can, this is 17 ounces of coconut water. All right, I'm gonna throw 1 piece of ginger for now in there. I'm gonna throw all the strawberries. Oh, I'm so excited. It's gonna be so good. All of the strawberries. And we're gonna throw all the coconut water. I'm going to start off with half, so 1 tablespoon of sugar. And limes. And now we're gonna blend it up. Doesn't that look so good? It looks so good. All right, so I'm going to taste it to see how much sugar, if it needs more sugar or not. I'm gonna throw in the other tablespoon of sugar, which really isn't that bad. 2 tablespoons of sugar for about 4 or 5 drinks. I'm gonna mix this again. Now, if you don't like coconut milk or coconut water, you can use regular water. So I have some regular water just in case it needed a little bit more liquid. I don't think this one does, but you can use more water. So because of the ginger, you have little like stringy pieces of ginger. I personally like that. I'm okay with that. But if you're not, you can actually just strain it through a mesh strainer. I like the little chunks of strawberry and such. Oh my gosh, it's so, you could freeze these and make amazing popsicles with it. Can't wait. All right, So I'm gonna go ahead and serve this up with some ice. And honestly, on a nice summer day with a little rum or tequila in here, oh, so good. All right, so I'm not filling it up all the way, and I'll tell you why. Because I'm a huge fan of bubbly. Honestly, it's so good. And this is strawberry bubbly, and when you throw strawberry bubbly in this, it takes it to another level. Now, I wouldn't recommend mixing it in the blender with the bubbly because then you're gonna end up losing a lot of the carbonation. So I would make this base and then pour the bubbly in and have everybody drink it if you're gonna add some tequila or something to it. I mean, just look at that. It's beautiful. I'm excited. Okay, here we go. Oh my, guys. You need to try this. So this drink is fully customizable. Honestly, if you add no sugar or you use monk fruit or any of the keto-friendly sugars, this is a keto-friendly drink. So you can actually drink this in the summer and feel really, really good about yourself. Freeze these and make popsicles. Oh, so good. But for us, we're just gonna drink it the way it is. I like it a little less on the sweet side, but sweeten it as much as you want. And as always, please like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know if you tried this. Let me know what you think. And hope to see you guys next time. Bye. So good.